Wake me up.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video, I'm going to review two products. I got this product from Zelmoom Naturals. I actually went to complain to her that my hair is always dry, brittle, wouldn't take any moisture at all. And she was like, okay, I have a solution for you. Boom! She gave me this and she was like, I should try it. I don't know if you guys can see, but okay. Yes, so this formula is actually supposed to repair your dry hair, your damaged hair, your brittle hair. Sorry if I sound like frog this morning because I just woke up, okay? So this product is supposed to strengthen your hair, hydrate your hair, stimulate hair growth, brittle hair, and is excellent on all hair types. I'll review this as well. She gave me this as well. She told me I should apply. It's a leave-in actually. It's a leave-in from Cream of Nature, and it's called Argan Buttermilk Leave-In Mask. I don't know if you can see this. It's from Cream of Nature, and it's going to serve as a leave-in. It's actually a leave-in hair mask, and it's supposed to moisturize, define my curls, control frizz. So what I'll do is, you see how dry my hair is? You guys know my hair is always dry. It's like I can't even do anything to it. I'm so tired of this hair. I always try to detangle my hair before I... No, I'm done. I'm not going to detangle anymore. It hurts, okay? It really hurts. So I'm going to wash my hair with the Cream of Nature shampoo. Okay guys, so I'm done washing my hair and conditioning my hair with the Cream of Nature shampoo and Cream of Nature intensive conditioning treatment. That's the conditioner. And I really love these two products because they really moisturize my hair. Added a bit of peppermint oil. I like the feel it gives my scalp. It really tingles it, like it prevents it from getting itchy. You know, sometimes after you wash your hair within the week, you feel this kind of itchiness all over your scalp. So I just put in a few drops of the peppermint oil to prevent me from getting itchy within the week. So that's my hair. I have really coarse hair, okay? It doesn't matter the amount of moisture in it, but
Could you wake me up with some more?
you know, I told you that.
Wake me up, put some more your love.
I like how it feels on the hair. Gives that smooth. It just feels great. I think I love this stuff already.
Wake me up.
This hair mask feels really amazing, for real. And I don't like sectioning my hair, so I just apply it all over my hair, make sure it gets to my strands.
Wake me up.
I really love this stuff because it really feels good on my hair already. I feel I'm going to recommend this stuff. I really love it. So I'm going to apply my shower cap to trap my body heat in. I don't really like applying heat to my hair, so I just apply my shower cap and secure that with a hair bonnet, a satin bonnet, to help keep the shower caps in place. So I just washed the deep conditioner out, and you can tell that my hair is a bit soft now. So I am going to apply the buttermilk. This is how it feels like. Okay, it feels it has a lot of slip, and I really like the way it feels on my hair. I love this stuff. It feels so nice. Like, it makes my hair feel so nice and moisturized. And I told you guys earlier on that my hair is really coarse. I can't feel that my hair is coarse anymore. It kind of feels so soft and very flexible. As you guys can see, it looks so soft. So next I'm going to apply olive oil to my hair, because olive oil really moisturizes my hair. And I forgot to mention to you guys earlier on that I'm doing the LOC method so that I can retain as much moisture. So next I'm going to apply my hair butter. I prefer shea butter, and the shea butter I'm going to be applying is from Velvet Northern Shea Butter. And I really love this stuff because it helps my hair soften up and makes it easy to comb. So I'm just going to apply that to my hair, and after that I'll be doing the banding method to stretch my hair.
Baby, my royalty.
As I told you guys, the hair butter I'm using, that's the Velvet Shea Butter, it really softens my hair, and it actually grows my hair. It really grows my hair very fast. So I'm going to start with the banding method, and this method makes my hair really stretches my hair, and it's very easy to do. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just wrapping the band around my strands.
Ooh, I need a little more, just a little more, a little more.
For the banding method, you don't really waste much time. So if you want to stretch your hair and you don't have much time to sit and twist your hair or stretch your hair with a thread, you can just try this method, and it's really easy, as you guys can see. So I'm going to start the LOC method again so that you see how I did it. As you can see, I have applied my buttermilk, that's my leave-in. I've applied my leave-in, then I'll apply my oil, that's the olive oil. Olive oil really gives shine to my hair and kind of helps to moisturize my hair as well. And yeah, I've already applied my hair butter. That's the last thing you're going to apply on your hair when you're doing the LOC method. So with the LOC method, you apply your leave-in, then you apply your oil, any oil of your choice. I chose olive oil. And you apply any hair butter of your choice. You can apply shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, any butter you like. But I prefer shea butter because it's really cool. My hair really loves shea butter. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just wrapping the hair bands around my hair once again. It's very easy to do. You should try this.
Oh, I need a jump start. When you call me,
I'm really amazed. Like, guys, you can literally see that my hair is moving. This coarse hair that I have that doesn't move is moving. Guys, you really have to get these products. I think the buttermilk and the shea butter really helped. I'm so glad. Wow.
definition of a real.
As you guys can see, my hair is really moisturized. My hair feels so good. It feels so soft. Like, damn, I really have to add these products to my regimen. So I strongly recommend these products. They are really good products. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.